So I'm really excited today. I'm gonna be not only opening, but using my first speed cube. I've been doing the beginner's method for quite some time, and I'm really excited to try to get a little faster. So if you kind of want to see my journey in getting faster, you can continue watching the series. But this is what I've been dealing with so far, just like the regular, and it gets kind of, sticky. So, and then of course, if you want the original one, that's not gonna happen. But this is the RS3M 2021, the MagLev, and I'm really excited because I've seen a lot of people talk about it, and I've been wanting one for like 3 years. I actually ordered this off of Amazon. It's on sale right now. I got it for $9, which is crazy to me, especially considering how long I've been wanting one. Finally dove in. So I think this is the accessories box. It's got the screwdriver, extra piece, little pamphlet. There it is. Oh my God, there it is. Empty box. All right, little stand. Cute, spiky. It's very spiky, actually. Okay. Oh, another little piece fell out. Let's open it and see if I can. Oh, well, cool. I don't have to cut. Yeah, there we go. The moment I've been waiting for. All right, let's see what it is. Not much better, actually. Oh, there we go. Pretty smooth, actually. Nice. So I think comparing this to this, oh yeah. See, I'm just now learning finger tricks here. It's so slow on the other end. It takes a lot of finger power there. Still on that back end, you gotta line it up a little better. Oh man, I love it.